In this video, we demonstrate how FastPass Identity Verification Manager, IVM, a leading workforce identity verification solution, integrates with Okta and Zendesk. Together, these integrations secure and simplify the identity verification process for your service desk. We walk you through the experience from an agent's perspective during a live service desk call. The service desk analyst answers a call from Taylor and initiates a ticket in Zendesk. After entering the core details, category, subject, and username, FastPass IVM opens the highlight page, displaying any potential anomalies such as inactive accounts or recent calls from the same user. Here we can see that the user attempted to use SSPR, but failed in the process, useful context for the agent to be aware of. To verify the user, a score of 100% must be reached. In this example, Okta is used as the first proofing method. A push notification is sent to the user's device, and once acknowledged, the authentication score is updated, reaching 80%. The agent then asks the user to provide the last 4 digits of their employee ID to reach the full 100%. Should Okta be unavailable, alternative proofing options are available, such as the user's employee ID combined with an SMS PIN code. Verification is now complete. FastPass IVM offers a wide range of proofing methods, including access card ID, computer tag verification, and colleague or manager confirmation, to name a few. Proofing methods and their scores can be tailored per user group and action type. A password can also be generated and set directly from FastPass. When closing the call, FastPass IVM can automatically close the ticket in Zendesk or route it to another team. Importantly, IVM logs all proofing methods used along with the full call details, creating a complete audit trail. This seamless integration saves time, streamlines the verification process, and ensures a comprehensive audit trail for compliance. Please note, the proofing methods, questions, scores, and settings shown are examples only. Everything can be fully customized, even across different user groups, offering the flexibility to meet your organization's specific needs. Visit us at fastpasscorp.com to learn how FastPass IVM can enhance your security, strengthen compliance, and streamline your identity verification process.